Join me as I dive into the exciting world of the new Osmo Pocket 4 and see if I can put it to the ultimate test before it even hits the shelves. The Osmo Pocket 4 is finally coming, and let me tell you, it's been a long time coming. Creators and vloggers alike have been waiting with bated breath for this new camera to drop, and I'm excited to dive in and see what all the fuss is about. One of the biggest limitations of previous Osmo Pocket models was the lack of stabilization. I mean, think about it, you're trying to capture smooth, stabilized footage, but your camera just can't keep up. It was frustrating, to say the least. Another issue was the image quality, it just wasn't up to par with some of the other cameras on the market. And let's not forget about the usability, the UI was clunky, and it was hard to navigate. It was like DJI took all of our feedback and said, you know what? Let's start from scratch and make something amazing. The Osmo Pocket 2 was a step in the right direction, but it still had its limitations. The aperture was still pretty narrow, and it struggled in low light conditions. And don't even get me started on the battery life, it was like, okay, I'll just take a few shots, and then I'll just die. But despite all of these limitations, we still love the Osmo Pocket series. We love the portability, the innovation, and the willingness of DJI to push the boundaries of what a camera could do. But with the Osmo Pocket 4, DJI is taking things to a whole new level. Rumor has it that the new camera is going to have some major enhancements in stabilization, image quality, and usability. Imagine being able to capture silky smooth footage, even in the most chaotic of environments. Imagine being able to shoot stunning 4K footage with ease. Imagine being able to use your camera for more than just a few hours without needing to recharge. One of the most exciting rumored features of the Osmo Pocket 4 is the new Active Track 3.0. This is going to be a game changer for creators. Imagine being able to track your subject, no matter where they go, no matter how fast they move. It's like having a personal camera operator built right into your camera. And rumor has it that it's going to be more accurate than ever before. I can already think of so many ways to use this feature in my own videos. But what really sets the Osmo Pocket 4 apart from its predecessors is the rumored new sensor. This is going to give the camera a huge boost in image quality, especially in low light conditions. Imagine being able to capture stunning footage, even in the darkest of environments. It's like having a whole new camera, just because of this one feature. And let's not forget about the rumored improved battery life. It's like, I'll just take a few shots, and then I'll just keep going. But what I'm most excited about is the possibility of an external microphone. This is going to be a huge deal for vloggers and creators who need high-quality audio. Imagine being able to capture crystal-clear audio, without having to worry about syncing up external mics or dealing with bad camera audio. It's like having a whole new level of production quality, just because of this one feature. So, to sum it up, the Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be an absolute beast of a camera. With its improved stabilization, image quality, and usability, it's going to be a must-have for any serious creator or vlogger. And let's be real, that rumored Active Track 3.0 and new sensor are just the icing on the cake. So, what do you guys think? What features are you most excited about in the Osmo Pocket 4? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest tech news and updates, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.